Automate your ads with high-converting AI UGC strategy. Hiring UGC creators in 2026 is exhausting. You send free product, wait weeks, and pay hundreds for videos that often don't convert. Traditional UGC creators can be unreliable and slow. It's time for a more efficient approach to your video advertising. Between shipping costs, creator fees, and slow production timelines, traditional UGC is a massive drain on your marketing budget and resources. What if you could turn a simple product photo into a viral, hyper-realistic AI video ad in under 24 hours without shipping a single sample? To succeed on platforms like TikTok and Reels, you need to master the 3 core pillars of high-converting AI UGC. First, the 3-second pattern interrupt. You need a hook that stops the doom scroll immediately, with organic, native creator movement. Second, realistic eye likeness and emotion. This means using natural micro-expressions, conversational cadence, and dynamic gestures that feel human. Third, conversion-engineered editing. We use sound effects, kinetic captions, and viral pacing to keep viewers watching and clicking. Building these ads yourself can be incredibly complex. It requires a deep understanding of multiple AI technologies. You'd have to manage generative engines, lip-sync tools, voice cloning, and advanced compositing just to make the product look natural in the creator's hand. For most brand owners, learning 5 different software tools and managing monthly subscriptions is simply too time-consuming. That is exactly why the smartest e-commerce brands are switching to a dedicated AI UGC video ad service. Our Fiverr AI UGC video ad service takes the heavy lifting off your plate so you can focus on scaling your business. The process is simple. Just send us your product link or image, pick your demographic, and we deliver your ad in 24 to 48 hours. Every video is meticulously optimized with native hooks and conversion-focused scripts designed to lower your CPA and boost your ROAS. Ready to scale your ads without the creator headaches? Join us and take your marketing to the next level. Stop stressing over traditional creator management and start leveraging the speed and efficiency of AI-powered video ads. Click the link in the description to check out our Fiverr gig and claim an exclusive discount on your first order. See you there?